I'm Laura Tyree, owner of Dragonfly Yoga, and I'm here at the Mahabhuta Yoga Festival. And this year we're going to be working with our bodies in a way that we're coming from the ground up. We're keeping the really deep body quiet and letting the core body kind of take over and be a part of our asana practice. It's a sweet practice. It unwinds the nervous system while it's building the body at the same time. Class this year involves learning how to be really diligent and effortful in a way in the postures without it affecting the nervous system and firing the nervous system up. So the idea behind it is you're going to come in and out of the postures from a place of quietness. Once you're in the posture, you're going to bring all that energy into the core, and then outside of that you'll be relaxing and moving right into the next asana. At the end of the class you should feel like you've already had a Shavasana. So join me.